Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. In this video, we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels and price action structures that currently gold is following so that we can utilize those levels for finding buy and sell opportunities in next week. So for this video, we are going to start with the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report, and as usually we are going to check the positions of the managed money. So we check the positions of the managed money for this particular COT report. Over here you can see the managed money, they are again decreasing their long positions by a good amount. So they decreased, or you can say they covered their long positions by a good amount for this particular week. Also, if you remember the previous week's COT report that I shared in Telegram channel and on my previous week analysis videos, if I go back from here, if you check the previous week's COT report, this was the previous week's COT report, and you can see in previous week also we have seen that the managed money, they decreasing their long positions. Also in previous week you can see they were adding the positions into the short side. So this was clearly a bearish indication, and if you remember the weekly analysis video, I clearly mentioned that the sentiment from the COT report is in bearish side or in downside. And also if we check the change in positions for last 3 weeks on this chart, these blue bar is the long positions, net long positions of the managed money. And you can see that in previous 3 weeks they continuously decreasing their long position, which is not a good sign for bulls for a short period as of now. So the current COT report is also signaling the same, but as you can see for this particular week, if I again switch to latest report, they are decreasing their long positions, but they are also covered their short positions by a small amount, or you can say this is a kind of profit booking from into the short side. So yes, overall the view as per the COT is clearly into the downside or into the bearish favor right now. So this is the sentiment, and we have to wait and watch for the next COT report. If they are going to add into the short with a good amount and they keep decreasing, then the correction can continue into the lower side, or you can say we can see the continuation into the lower side. So this is the view from the COT, and it is into the bearish side as per this data. So now let's move on to the 4-hour time frame chart, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart, and we have seen a good correction last week. And if you remember my view, I clearly mentioned in Telegram channel also, and if you following me in TradingView profile, you can see this is the chart that I updated on 5th November on election day, and you can see that I clearly indicating, and I was expecting that the price can go into the downside, and I was continuously reminding you that the price can make a move into the downside. But as per my analysis on that particular day was this kind of move, and I was expecting that price can make a good comeback from 2700 level. But as you can see, if I load the bars after this update, we have seen a very sharp decline on election day, and gold price breakdown 2700, and gold price took support on 2645, which is weekly support 3. And on 4-hour time frame, what is the support that gold took support? Let me show you. So on 4-hour time frame, if we check the overall scenario, you can see on 4-hour time frame, the price previously was trading inside this rising wave pattern. If we check this trend line and this lower support around here and here and here, so you can see previously the price was trading inside this parallel, or you can say rising wave pattern. If I turn off these line, you can see the price was trading inside this uh, rising wave pattern. I already said this structure in Telegram channel also. On this particular day, on you can say result days, after the victory of presidential election by Trump, we have seen a good, you can say, sharp decline in gold, because after winning the election we have seen a good continuation bullish momentum on dollar, which you can say put pressure on the gold price, and we have seen a sharp decline, and gold price break down this support trend line with a very good volume, this right over here. So after breakdown from here, previously you can see the gold price was trading near to this high volume area, this right over here, and after breaking down from here, you can see we do not have any major support into the lower side, and gold price took support on this major support area, and this was around 2645, as you can see. So this is the major support into the lower side on 4-hour time frame. Also, after taking support on this level, we have seen a correction into the higher side, and gold price again retested this trend line. I shared this on next day on Telegram channel, and I was expecting that price can move down, and currently you can see price is moving into the downside. So as per 4-hour time frame, if we zoom in, you can see we can expect further decline, and if we consider the resistance support, we have to watch this level, the recent high, swing high, you can say around 2710. So this is the major resistance as of now on 4-hour time frame, and into the lower side the support is around this level. So yes, we can expect a decline like this, and if price break down from here, further decline is possible. But as you can see, this is a high volume support, so yes, some you can say pullback is also possible, but overall the view on 4-hour is currently into the downside from the closing price till this area is a resistance. Yes, if price break out this resistance area, then only we can look for buy for small period, and we can expect it test onto this level or this high volume area, because this is the big resistance as of now. So this is the only level that we have to watch into the higher side, and under this I am expecting a decline. Only decline is possible, and if you are planning to buy for a longer period, I think we have to wait it to break out above this level. Under this level, as of now, I am expecting a decline as per the current formation. Also, if we switch it to daily time frame, you can see if we consider the current scenario, we have seen a very good bullish rally, and now price is moving into the lower side, or you can say price is making a correction. So as per the current, you can say down move, you can say this is a good sharp down move, but price is now taking support onto this area that we already discussed on volume profile. Now as you can see, price is again rejecting from 2700 roughly, or you can say the level 2700 to 2710. So this area is currently acting as a resistance, and as per the daily closing, you can say this is a bearish close, so a continuation to the lower side is possible, and I am expecting that if price break down from here, gold price can test 2600 as per this current sharp move, and then we can expect a correction like this into November end, and then gold price can make a move near to this resistance area and then further decline as per this daily cycle. And on December end, I think we can look for buying opportunities toward higher price side. So this is the view on daily time frame as per current scenario. So currently I am looking for a down move, then a buy, then a down. This is the formation that is possible on daily time frame. So overall, it is also signaling a down move because the daily candle closure is a bearish one. Also, if we check the weekly closing price action, you can see the weekly candle closed in a bearish note, and it is not a strong bearish candle. We have seen a rejection, but overall it is also a good, you can say, bearish candle that closed, and we can expect another down move in coming weeks because in higher time frame we are in correction right now, but I'm not expecting that much bigger or deeper correction right now. So at present a correction is possible into lower side. So these are the different charts that I want to discuss. Also, if we check the dollar chart, this right over here, if we check the dollar chart, you can see we have seen a continuous bullish run on dollar, and as you can see, after taking a pullback near to this level, currently it is moving into the higher side, and the next resistance on $2 chart is this level around 106, this right over here. So if it is going to move into the higher side like this, then it is going to put pressure on to the gold bulls, and we can see decline on gold chart. And over here we have to wait how price or the dollar chart going to react, then we are going to decide the move on gold. Now if we check the major data for next week, if we check the next week data, what are the data that we have to watch? What are the high impact data that we have to watch? You can see on Wednesday we have core CPI. This is the major data, of course, the CPI. On Thursday we have initial jobless claim and PPI data. Fed Chair Powell speaks. This is also going to generate good volatility on Thursday. On Friday we have core retail sales. So these are the good high impact data that we have to watch for next week. So overall my view is currently into the downside, and we have to look for the sell opportunity, and we have to wait how price going to develop into the lower side for any buying opportunities. So I'm going to update more about the levels and the current scenario on Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.